Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a review or a quick look at the latest version of Google Chrome. Chrome has had an update yesterday, December the 7th or 6th, anyways. There was a new version of Chrome available, version 63.0.3239.84, as you see here. And so what's new in here? Not a lot, but there's a few little things. In the Android version, there's a smart text selection feature in Oreo if you have the latest version of Android. And of course, this version of Chrome is updated for Linux, for Windows, and for Mac computers. One of the highlights is they actually changed the flags settings. So in the flags redesign, basically, they have actually brought the new modern redesign. Basically, this is in sync with all the rest of Chrome that's being so slowly redesigned with the new modern look. And so you have that available at flags here, as you see, kind of a more beautiful layout for sure. Apart from that, there's a few things happening that is kind of cool about security. So now this version of Chrome, and that's because they're trying to compete on the security side a lot, and it's been kind of a little competition between them and also Microsoft with Microsoft Edge. They're trying to bring Chrome to the mainstream enterprise. So starting with this version, you now will have an interesting feature with Google Sandbox technology, which is site isolation. So basically, in Chrome 63, now lets you isolate certain web pages, content from them is rendered separately, making sure that these pages do not share processes across site iframes. Now, that unfortunately will cause one issue. This version of Chrome will use, because of that feature, more memory, typically 10 to 20% more than usual. That's the drawback of having separate sandboxed, isolated running engines and pages within the browser itself. They've updated certain things like the TLS or Transport Layer Security to Protocol 1.3. This is one of the more secure protocols used for Gmail. This is something that's been in a long time at version 1.2, which was released in 2008, which is almost 10 years ago. So apart from that, there are some security updates in here. 13 security flaws have been fixed in this version of Chrome. So that means update because you're fixing tons of little holes here and there that actually could have been used by bad guys. And one of the funny, interesting story behind this is that Chrome or Google pays for any person that actually finds a bug within Chrome and demonstrate how it can be used to for an attack on security and stuff like that. And they gave $46,000 since last version just to fix bugs in here. So, and of course, trying to make the Chrome version as secure as possible. So, that's pretty much what we have. I think the most important thing to think about will be to improve security for enterprise and, even for users, as they now have site isolation possibilities. And of course, security side of 13 security holes fixed in here, and redesign of the flags settings within the browser. That's pretty much it. Apart from that, seems pretty stable. I've been using it for since this morning, and it seems to be working very well. I've not had any issues. So how do you get this new version or make sure you have the latest version? Simply go to the customize option on the upper right corner, the three vertical dots. Go into Help, go into About Google Chrome, and it will tell you what you have, and if it's not updated, it will update it right now. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Hope you enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.